Welcome to Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond, the show where we dive into the tiny but powerful world of insects. Today, we're talking about something that might surprise you. Not all bugs are bad. In fact, some insects are nature's own pest control team. Our topic for today is insects that help control crop pests. When most people think of insects in farms, they imagine pests that destroy crops, like aphids, caterpillars, and beetles that chew on leaves. But what if I told you that some insects actually protect those crops from being eaten? That's right. Many insects act as natural enemies of crop pests. They're the unsung heroes that farmers often rely on instead of using harmful chemicals or pesticides. These beneficial insects help maintain a healthy balance in the ecosystem, a perfect example of nature taking care of itself. First up, the adorable yet deadly ladybug. You've probably seen one crawling on a leaf with its bright red shell and black spots. But don't let that cute look fool you. Ladybugs are ruthless hunters when it comes to aphids, which are tiny insects that suck the juices out of plants. A single ladybug can eat up to 50 aphids a day, and throughout its lifetime, it can consume thousands. Both the adult ladybug and its larvae, which look like tiny black alligators, feast on pests that harm crops like lettuce, tomatoes, and corn. Farmers love ladybugs because they're a natural form of pest control. No chemicals needed, just a handful of these spotted warriors doing their job. Next, we have the parasitic wasp. Don't worry. These wasps aren't the kind that sting people. Instead, they use their stingers to lay eggs inside pest insects. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Parasitic wasps are particularly helpful against pests that damage fruits and vegetables. Some species even target tomato hornworms, which are big green caterpillars that can destroy tomato plants overnight. This method of using insects to fight other insects is called biological control, and parasitic wasps are some of the best agents for it. Another hero on our list is the green lacewing. With its delicate, transparent wings, it looks like it couldn't harm a fly. But its larvae definitely can. Lacewing larvae, often called aphid lions, are fierce predators. They suck out the juices of aphids, mites, thrips, and other soft-bodied pests. Farmers often buy and release lacewing eggs into their fields because they're inexpensive and very effective at controlling pest populations naturally. They're like tiny, flying bodyguards for plants. Now, let's head to the soil, where the ground beetles live. These shiny black or metallic beetles are the unsung heroes of the night. While farmers are asleep, ground beetles patrol the soil, eating cutworms, slugs, and caterpillars that try to destroy seedlings. Unlike ladybugs or lacewings that fly, ground beetles do most of their work on the ground, keeping the base of plants safe and strong. So, Why are these insects so important? First, they help reduce the need for chemical pesticides, which can harm not only pests, but also beneficial insects, animals, and even humans. Second, they promote biodiversity, meaning the ecosystem stays balanced. When beneficial insects thrive, harmful pests are kept in check naturally. So, next time you see a ladybug, a wasp, or a beetle crawling in the garden, remember, they might just be helping to grow your food. All right, it's trivia time. Let's see if you can answer these correctly based on what you learned. Ready? Let's get started. Question 1. Which insect can eat up to 50 aphids a day and is often seen as a red beetle with black spots? A. Parasitic wasp. B. Ladybug. C. Lacewing. D. Ground beetle. Correct answer, B. Ladybugs. Ladybugs are one of the most effective natural pest controllers. Both their larvae and adults eat aphids, small pests that damage crops by sucking plant juices. Because they're harmless to humans and extremely efficient, they're considered a farmer's best friend in pest control. Next question. What is the term for using living organisms, like insects, to control pest populations naturally? A. Chemical control. B. Biological control. C. Environmental control. D. Organic farming. Correct answer, B. Biological control. Biological control means using natural enemies, such as ladybugs, parasitic wasps, or lacewings, to keep harmful pests in check. It's an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides and a key part of sustainable agriculture. Last question. Which insect is known as the nighttime patroller that hunts pests like caterpillars and slugs in the soil? A. Ground beetle. B. Lacewing. C. Parasitic wasp. D. Honeybee. Correct answer, A. Ground beetle. Ground beetles are nocturnal hunters that patrol the soil and feed on pests that attack plant roots and seedlings. By preying on these soil-dwelling enemies, they help protect crops right from the ground up. And that's it for today's episode. Remember, not all insects are pests. Some are protectors. If you enjoy this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.